This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Whitney Parsons. Incredible opportunity to own a beautiful home in one of Belmont's hottest neighborhoods, Eagle Park. This like new and move-in ready, 3-bed/3-bath home boasts a rocking chair front porch, an open floor plan, hardwoods throughout the main living area, a bedroom and full bath on the main floor, and a one-car garage. Gorgeous kitchen with gray shaker cabinets, cozy brick backsplash, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a pantry and an island. Stunning luxe primary suite with a tile shower, garden tub, dual sinks and a tray ceiling in the bedroom. Upstairs is a flex space/loft and a secondary bedroom with full bath along with the primary suite. The backyard has a lovely paver patio and a fenced-in area. Eagle Park has a pool, fitness center and dog park. Enjoy